subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications.
Hi friends, welcome back to Best Way to Study. Now I have a very good news for both AP intermediate students as well as Telangana intermediate students. So first let's see what is the good news for AP intermediate students. After that I'm going to discuss the good news even for Telangana, that is TS intermediate students. Okay, so now let's begin this video without any delay. First important point is coming to the AP intermediate as well as 10th class students. Congratulations, government has officially decided and declared that they are going to cancel the exams permanently for this particular year. Okay, so till now government just kept on postponing the exams. Okay, first they said in June, then July, like that, but now officially they have decided and declared that there is no exam this year. There is not going to be any conduction of intermediate as well as 10th class exams for AP. Okay, so this is first good news. You might get a doubt like why government took this decision all of sudden, because court has asked, like demanded the government to cancel the exams so that all the students will be like at safe side. Okay, so due to this pandemic, we already know, now just recently we are like, we are still in the process of in the second wave. Now the second wave slowly started coming to control, and we already know the third wave also started in some of the states, and it started in few states like Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and even AP got a new uh, third virus case so recently. So after seeing all these things, after seeing all the situation, government has officially declared and decided finally that there are not going to be any exams for AP 10th as well as intermediate students. Why suddenly the government took this decision is because government, like court ordered the government, okay, you can conduct the exams because you are not willing to postpone the exams, you can conduct. But if at least one person gets COVID and if it results to the COVID death, then you have to pay rupees 1 crore to that COVID student family. This is what the court told to the government. That's why at last, instead of taking risk of students' life, which is very very valuable, they finally decided to cancel the exam. And now your doubt may be, okay, they cancelled the 10th and intermediate exams. Okay, so how are they going to decide our marks is the main question, right? I'm going to answer that particular question also. So coming to the first important thing, coming to the 10 students, they are all going to get promoted. There are not going to be any exams this year, so congratulations students. Okay, so coming to the AP intermediate students, I'm going to say how your marks are going to be allocated. Okay, so coming to the first year students, all the first year students will be promoted to the second year without any exam. Okay, so this is what is the decision took by them. All the first year students will automatically get promoted. Now you must get a doubt like, what about the practical exams? The students who ever have the practical exams, congratulations, because you are going to get 100% marks in your practical exam. You heard it correct, you heard it right. Okay, government decided to allocate 100% marks in practicals. That is, you're going to get full on full in your practicals. Okay, so this is it about the practical exam. Okay, so now we are done with the practical exam. Now we have to know how they are going to allocate marks for like the main subject exams. Okay, So theoretical exams. So coming to the theoretical exams, coming to the first years, all the first years are going to get promoted. Okay, so you are happily going to promote with the best result. Okay. Second important thing is, what about the students who have backlogs? Okay, so students who ever have the backlogs, for you also there is a great news. You are going to get at least 35% of the marks in your exam, and all the backlogs will be cleared. They are going to promote you to the next class with the allocation of 35% of the marks. Okay, got it. So now let's see what about the second year students. Coming to the second year students, again practical exams, you're going to get full marks. They'll allocate you full marks. And coming to the theoretical exams, your marks in theoretical exams of second year will be allocated based upon the first year's marks. Okay, so for example, in first year if you get 90%, even in second year they are going to give you 90% of the grade. Okay, 90% of the marks. Now few students may think, okay, in first year we got less marks, but now we really studied well, we are not going to accept the marks which they give us based upon the first year result. Okay, no problem. Even for you there is a good news, there is a solution for this problem. What is that solution is, see guys, if you are not happy with the result which is given by the like this automatic process, okay, based upon the first year marks, they're going to allocate second year marks, right? If you're not happy with that, no problem, you will have chance to give re-exam. Okay, you can again give a exam, so no problem at all. So you just need not worry about anything. So that's it. Okay, this is all the information coming to the AP intermediate and 10th class students. I hope you found this video useful. Coming to the Telangana intermediate students, even for you the government has decided to cancel the exams. Congratulations. And coming to the allocation of marks for you people, first year students will every, like all the first year students will be promoted to the second year, and second year marks will be allocated based upon the first year's promotion. Okay, like the, sorry, first year's performance. Okay, so for example, if you are studying in second year at present, and and in the first year if you got 70% of marks, so the same 70% of marks they are going to allocate even in your second year. And other thing is, based upon the performance, if you are not happy, like if you're not happy with the marks which they allocated, or if you're not satisfied with the marks which they allocated, then you will have the chance to write the exam and get your own marks based upon your performance. Okay, so no issues. And other important news for Telangana intermediate students is, the result is announced, is going to be announced on 28th or 29th of this month. So this is the latest update which we have. Okay, so the result is going to be announced either on 28th of this month or 29th of this month. So yes, hope you found this video useful. Your exams are cancelled, like your AP intermediate as well as Telangana intermediate exams are cancelled, that's for sure. But guys, remember one thing, MSET is not cancelled and it's not postponed also, and there is no possibility to cancel the entrance exam like Eamcet, because it is the entrance exam which will decide like who have to get which college and all these things. So they may postpone, but they are never going to cancel any of the common entrance test. Okay, so guys, remember, don't forget that you still have your Eamcet exam. Eamcet exam is not postponed. Okay, so as your intermediate exams are permanently cancelled for the year, so put your 100% concentration only on Eamcet now, because Eamcet rank is going to decide your future, decide your course, college, everything. So as you don't have anything else to worry about. Put your whole concentration only on MSET now. Okay, so best way to study is #1 channel for MSET students, which have few thousands of MSET subscribers, students as subscribers. And on our channel you can find some hundreds of MSET videos: MSET marks versus rank, what are the best books for MSET, what is the cheat code for MSET, how to get 140 plus marks, and what is the MSET rank predictor, what is MSET cutoff, expected cutoff of the year, and what are the best books to get best rank. And if you wanted to get 2000 below rank, how many marks you have to get, and what are the most important chapters, what is the updated syllabus for MSET. All these videos are already on our channel, and the links are going to be in the description box below. Don't forget to check them out. And other important thing is, within few days the MSET crash course is going to start. You all know best way to study is #1 channel for MSET. So many students started requesting us to start a crash course for MSET, and we finally decided to start it. Okay, so within few days MSET crash course is going to start. Okay, so it will be basically 30 days crash course, and in this particular crash course we are going to cover both AP MSET and Telangana MSET, BPC as well as MPC. Okay, so once you enroll for this crash course, it's our guarantee that we will surely make you get the best rank and best admission in your college, in your dream college. Okay, coming to MSET crash course, once you register for this crash course, we will make you revise everything from A to Z. We are going to tell what are the important topics, which particular topics you need to concentrate more to get the rank below 2000. And third important thing is, we will also give you the free study material for MSET, and also we're going to give you last 7 to 10 years of MSET previous years papers for absolutely free of cost. And in this crash course we are also going to give you the shortcuts and tips and tricks to prepare and get a good score in MSET. And also there will be a separate doubt clarification session for the MSET students after completion of everyday crash course. Okay, so this crash course is the most requested thing from you people, so don't waste your time anymore. Immediately start enrolling for the crash course. We are giving you 50% discount for all our MSET students. You are getting the complete crash course, MSET explanation A to Z, free study material, like specially designed study material, which will help you to get below 2000 or below 1000 rank, and free last 10 to 7 previous years papers, shortcuts, doubt clarifications, all these things you're going to get. I know you are excited, I know you are waiting to enroll immediately. So in order to enroll, what you need to do is, in the description box there is a phone number. Using that phone number you can WhatsApp and ask you are interested to enroll, and we will know how you have to enroll. It's just the simple process. Okay, so once your enrollment is done, you are good to start with the crash course. And yes, it's our guarantee to get you a good rank and admission in your dream college. Okay, so yes, that's it for today. Don't waste your time, because we are offering 50% discount, and also we are giving the best training of MSET, as best way to study is #1 channel for MSET, and you already know that. And other important thing is, hurry up, as there are only limited seats available. Okay, so don't waste your time, enroll now. So the phone number is in the description box below, and interested students, the students who wanted to enroll for the MSET crash course, immediately WhatsApp to that the number which is in the description box, or you can also mail me. My mail address is also in the description box. So yes, that's it for today. Don't waste your time, quickly enroll and start your preparation, and it's our guarantee that you're going to get the best rank. Okay, so who had to join in this crash course? Mainly two different kind of students, two category students should join this class. First category is if you wanted to get rank below 1000 or 500 or 2000, you must surely join this class, this crash course. Second category of the students is who didn't prepare much, who wanted to qualify MSET by just studying 30 days or 20 days. Even you must enroll this to this crash course immediately. Okay, so yes, that's it for today. Hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more such wonderful videos so that you'll never miss any update from Best Way to Study. And also don't forget to like and share this video without any delay. Okay, so yes, please share and like this video, and hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.